Hey there, future internet heroes, and welcome. Get ready, because what we're doing today is opening up your official training manual. This isn't just about how to use the internet. Nope, it's about how to become a superhero who can explore, play, and connect online, all while staying safe and having a ton of fun.
So, the big question is, are you ready? Every hero's journey starts with that first big step, and guess what? Yours begins right now.
Okay, let's dive right in. Before we even think about putting on our capes, every hero needs to understand the world they're about to explore. So welcome to mission number 1, getting to know the internet.
I want you to picture the internet as this amazing, absolutely gigantic digital playground. Seriously, it's a place where you can learn incredible facts about, dinosaurs or outer space. You can play super fun games, watch cool videos about literally anything, and even talk to your friends and family. It really is a world of possibilities.
And it's time to gear up. No superhero just rushes into an adventure without their special tools and a set of rules, right? This section is all about your superhero safety kit, and trust me, it's totally essential for every single mission.
Let's start with the absolute basics. These are your first 3 and maybe most important rules. Number 1, always get permission from a parent or a trusted grown-up before you hop online. 2, try to use your devices in a shared space, like the living room. And number 3, browse together. It's not just safer, it's honestly way more fun. Think of these websites as your secret headquarters. These are your safe zones. Places like PBS Kids, National Geographic Kids, FunBrain, and the NASA Kids Club, they are just packed with awesome games and videos that were made just for you. They're the perfect places to start your adventure.
Ready for the next phase of your training? I thought so. A true hero knows how to communicate with kindness and with strength. So let's learn how to connect with other people online, like a hero.
Now, this is the number 1 rule of being an internet hero. It's really simple when you think about it. The golden rule totally applies online too. Just use polite words, think for a second before you post something, and always try to spread a little positivity. Kindness really is a superpower. Okay, listen up, because this is super important. It's totally safe to talk to people you know in real life, like your family and your friends from school. But, and this is a big but, you should never ever talk to strangers online. If someone you don't know tries to talk to you or starts asking for personal info, what's the hero move? You got it, tell a grown-up right away.
Now and then, you might run into someone who isn't really following the hero code. We call this cyberbullying. It's just when someone is being mean on purpose online. Maybe they're sending hurtful messages or sharing embarrassing stuff. And I need you to remember this. If this ever happens, it is never your fault.
But you have a very powerful move to defeat cyberbullying. It's a special combo called block and tell. It's easy. First, you block the person so they can't contact you anymore. Then, and this is the most important part, you tell a trusted adult. A parent, a teacher, anyone you trust. You never, ever have to face this stuff alone.
All right, hero. The training is getting a little tougher now. It's time to learn how to spot and defeat all the tricky traps that are set by online villains. This is where you really learn to flex those powers.
Your password? That's your secret identity. It protects all your online stuff. A really strong password, kind of like the one you see on the screen, mixes up different letters, numbers, and symbols. And just like a real superhero, you should never, ever share your secret identity with anyone. Except for your parents, of course.
And you've got to watch out for these. Online villains just love to set these little traps. You might see a pop-up window that promises a free prize, or you might get a weird email from someone you don't know. These are almost always tricks, just trying to get you to click on something unsafe.
So, what's your best defense against all these tricks? Well, it's your ultimate special move. Ready? When in doubt, ask a grown-up. Simple as that. If anything looks weird or confusing, or maybe just a little too good to be true, don't click, just ask.
Okay, I want you to think of this stuff as your secret files. This is information you must always keep private. We're talking about your full name, your home address, your phone number, your school's name, and even your birthday. Keep it secret and keep it safe.
Okay, you've learned how to protect yourself. That's awesome. Now it's time for the final stage of your training, using your powers for good. Because it's not just about staying safe, it's also about making the internet a better, kinder place for everybody.
Have you ever heard of a digital footprint? It's a cool idea.
Every time you go online, you leave behind a little trail of breadcrumbs. Every post you make, every comment, every like. So your mission is to make sure your trail is a positive one that shows the whole world how kind and awesome you really are.
This right here, this is the hero's code of conduct. A good digital citizen is all of these things. They're kind, they're safe, they're smart, respectful, and responsible. Following these rules is how you use your powers to help build a better, friendlier digital world.
And listen, every single superhero has rights, and that includes you. You have the right to safety, so no one should ever make you feel scared online. You have the right to privacy, to keep your information secret. The right to respect, and totally the right to say no if something makes you feel uncomfortable. If anyone tries to mess with these rights, you know what to do. Tell an adult immediately. We are so close. We're almost there. Here is your final mission briefing, just a super quick summary of your most important rules. 1. Ask first. 2. Be kind. 3. Keep secrets secret. 4. Don't click strange things. And number 5. Always think first before you post or share something. Got it? Awesome.
And just like that, your training is complete. You have the knowledge, you have the tools, and you definitely have the power. Always remember, you are the hero of your online adventure. So go out there, explore safely, and use your powers to make the internet an amazing place for everyone. Mission accomplished.